In this video, I am going to teach you about the best order block indicator that I use for my personal trading, and today I am going to show you that how profitable it is, and it is going to change your trading ways. So before I start this video, if you want to join the best broker that I personally use, the link is given in the description of this video below. And this is my broker, Exness broker, that provides the a variety of trading accounts from standard, standard cent, raw spread, zero, and the pro account. So you can find the link in the description of this video below. Now let's move towards the strategy. The strategy is very simple because we are going to use only one indicator in this strategy, and this will be called the order block finder, and that is experimental, and this is by Vugamlo, okay, and 11,884 traders are using it, and this indicator is very popular in forms of order block. When we talk about the order blocks, this is quite popular indicator used by the professional traders. So today I'm going to teach you that how you can do actually very good trading with this, right? Okay, so I will prefer you to set up a time frame from minimum from 5 minutes. However, you can use 1 minute, 3 minute as well, 15 minute, 30 minutes, 45 minutes, or 1 hour time frame. You can use any time frame. Okay, so basically it draws levels on your screen, like you can see here, that here we were into the white order block. Okay, so it means that this is the order block. And right now, if you look at the gold price has already moved up from the order block, and I was watching this during this trading time, that I was watching that it went completely up from the order block, right? So similarly, it will also make the bearish order blocks as well. So for example, let's say I'm going to the gold 1 minute. So let's see. Okay, now look at here. This is the bearish order block into the blue color, and you can see gold basically pump up from the bullish order block that I have shown you on the 5 minute time frame. Then the market simply went up and it went inside the blue blue order block. Okay, then it has received a rejection, and now you can see the market is already down, and it was a great scalping chance in both the cases, even into the buy direction and even into the sell direction. Okay, now it is very important that you should change your Heikin-Ashi candles so that when the reversal can come, so for example here the candles turned its color to the red one, so it was a clear pattern that I am going to be into the downward direction, and then you can see gold is down, and here the Heikin-Ashi candles turned green. So if you use Heikin-Ashi candles with this order block, then definitely they are going to help you a lot. Another example, look at USD CHF. From the bullish order block, the market went up, and then going into the bearish order block, the market has received the two to three candles rejections till now, right? So this is the 1 minute. However, you can use any time frame. So for example, this I have just switched to 1 minute because I want to show you that how actually it works, so that you can see the recent order blocks. Okay, for example, look at here. Now this is very important. This concept is very important. Look at here. The market went inside the bearish order block. Then it reversed. It was a scalping chance. You have taken the profit, but Heikin-Ashi candle again turned green. It means that the reversal is again coming. And now if you look at here, the bearish order block is break, and the candles are above the bearish order block, which means that this order block is not valid anymore. So in that scenario, for example, let's say if you are into the sell position, and like on this candle the order block got a break and the candle closes above it, so simply exit from the trade, right? Because you know that it provides you with the possible order blocks, but definitely this is forex in the crypto market, so each and every order block is not successful, so you need to take care of this thing. Okay, so for example, look on Euro USD, from the bullish order block the market straightly went up, so this is the quality of this order block. However, if you go to the 1 minute time frame, you will be getting the maximum order blocks. Okay, so for example, look at here on Great Britain Pound USD, it's into the bullish order block. Already it has a pump up. Bullish order block, the market pumped up. So this is how you can do scalping, and you can also plan day trading. So if you are a day trader, I will recommend you to use the 15-minute chart, and you can also plan to go with the 1 hour chart. So for example, if you look at here on the 1 hour chart, the bearish order block is already break. So it means that gold has maximum chances to go further into the upward direction, because the order block is not valid anymore. So might be the market is going to be into the upward side. So this is how you can trade very well. Okay. So guys, let me know about this order block indicator into the comment section. Moreover, please like our videos, subscribe the FX Mentor US, and share these videos with everyone. Thank you very much for watching this video.